In the kingdom of Kapilavastu, amidst the blooming lotus ponds and towering palaces, Queen Maya gave birth to a son named Siddhartha. The night was aglow with the light of stars as if celebrating the arrival of a destined soul. Siddharth's birth brought a rare tranquility to the royal chambers, where attendants whispered of prophecies foretelling his future greatness. It was said she would either become a mighty king uniting realms under his rule or forsake his earthly throne to become the liberator of humanity from suffering. Raised within the protective walls of the palace, young Siddhartha was shielded from the harsh realities of the outside world by his doting father, King Suddhodana. His days were filled with the teaching of wise scholars and the tutelage of skilled mentors in the art of governance, warfare, and the cultural pursuits befitting a future monarch. Yet, amidst the opulence and luxury, Siddharth's keen intellect and sensitive heart yearned for a deeper understanding beyond the palace walls. The turning point in Siddharth's journey came when he ventured beyond the palace grounds, accompanied by a loyal charioteer. As they traversed the lush countryside, shielded from the sight of suffering by his father's decree, Siddharth's path crossed with that of an aged man. Bent with the weight of years, his face lined with the passage of time. Perturbed by this sight, Siddhartha sought answers from his charioteer, who explained the inevitability of old age and the transience of youth and beauty. Haunted by the spectre of suffering, Siddhartha made a fateful decision. One moonlight night, he bid farewell to his sleeping wife Yasodhara and their newborn son Rahul, whose name means fetter, a reminder of the ties that bind. Shedding his royal garments and jewels, Siddhartha donned the simple robes of an ascetic, setting forth into the wilderness to seek answers that eluded him within the palace walls. After years of austere practices and unwavering meditation, Siddhartha arrived at Bodh Gaya, the sacred grove of the Bodhi tree. Seated beneath its leafy canopy, he vowed not to rise until he had attained enlightenment. Battling the temptation of Mara, the embodiment of desire and ego, Siddhartha delved deep into the restlessness of his consciousness, confronting his innermost fears and attachment until the truth dawned upon him like the first light of dawn. Having attained enlightenment, Siddhartha, now known as Buddha, the awakened one, embarked on a journey to share his newfound wisdom and compassion with all beings. From the tranquil groves of Deer Park in Sarnath to the bustling streets of Varanasi, Buddha delivered sermons that illuminated the path of liberation from suffering, attracting disciples and devotees from all walks of life. At the age of 80, in the tranquil groves of Kushinagar, surrounded by his devoted disciples, Buddha entered parinirvana, the final liberation from the cycle of birth and death. As he reclined upon a simple cot, his radiant presence illuminated the hearts of those gathered around him, offering solace and guidance even in his final moments. This detailed narrative captures the essence of Siddhartha Gautama's transformative journey towards enlightenment, illustrating the profound wisdom and compassion that defines the teaching of Buddhism. Thank you.